Silicone sheets are probably the most versatile silicone piece that we offer to protect birds and other animals from bridging on electrical assets. You can cut them and adapt them to any form and shape your substation and distribution equipment, so they can cover and insulate the most awkward and difficult shapes. To use it, first you have to measure the piece you want to cover, then cut it in the desired size and shape. Next, you open holes through the sheet into the places you wish to hold and close. For this, you will have to use the punch pin hole tool. The silicone push pins will be inserted into the holes, and then the sheet will be installed in the desired location.